So I'm on my way to buy a used Corvette off a buddy of mine, and he's about an hour and a half north from here. So I didn't want to drive a 30-year-old car all the way home. My friend has a Corvette that I'm going to go look at, and something kind of came to mind yesterday. I was thinking about how to get this car home. I didn't have a car trailer, but U-Haul has car trailers, and it cost me like $54 for 24 hours to rent this U-Haul car trailer. So I put it on the back of my Expedition. They have a 2012 Expedition that's totally capable of hauling a car. Instead of trying to ask somebody else and find somebody to drive my truck home, then hopefully the Corvette makes it home, being the age it is, hasn't been running in a little while, I can put it on the back of the trailer. So what's great about this is you can put the car that you're going looking at, if you have to go grab a car somewhere, it's quite a few miles from your house, you can put it on the car trailer, you can tow it home, you don't have to worry about breaking down or anything like that on the way home. If you don't really know the car hasn't been driven in a while, it has a lot of miles on it. So this is what I'm going to do. I ended up renting this thing. It was $54 for 24 hours. I put $16 extra on it for trailer coverage in case someone blows a stop sign and hits the thing. You just never know. But this is what it looks like. It has a 2-inch ball on it, and your standard 4 flat wiring on it, so plugged right into my truck, and has hydraulic brakes and everything else. So I didn't need an electric brake on my truck. Has the safety chains, and it comes with straps to strap the car down, obviously the fold down fenders, and there's some ramps that pull out in the back. So we loaded up the Vet on the U-Haul trailer, and we used the ratchet straps to tie it down. They worked pretty good, and I drove it home back to our shop, and went a few hundred miles with the thing. It didn't budge at all, and to go grab a car, this is a great way to do it. It was totally worth it, and the price is right. If you need a trailer to go grab something, check out U-Haul. They have really good rates, and I'm glad that I went that route.